Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review and demo of the Stema hair for you guys. This is what the packaging looks like, guys. Look at the packaging. The packaging is really cute. I love the color combination of the packaging. I've got 3 bundles in the packaging, which is in the length 20. I've got 3 20-inch bundles and one 14-inch closure. The packaging also comes with 4 flexi rods and a free gift card voucher of $15 in case you want to repurchase from their store. So guys, those are the items in the packaging. There is also a bobby pin in the packaging as well. So those are the items in the packaging, and I'm going to show you guys what the hair look like in a minute. The hair is actually in body wave in the shade 613. The hair is so soft, guys. Look at that. The hair is very soft, and I love how it feels in the hand. It's so soft and silky. You can already tell from the camera already. It's proper 613, and I like the closure as well, because I like the fact that the quality of the closure and the bundles are the same. They felt really soft, and I like the fact that they are the same quality. So another thing I want to tell you guys is the fact that I actually applied the Got to Be Blasting Spray on the closures to avoid the color staining the closure. So that's what I did just now, and the color that I was using today was actually indigo blue and royal navy. So what I did was I actually applied like 3 drops of indigo blue and 2 drops of the royal navy. So I dipped the hair into the dye to check out the color, and that was the color that I got. I was quite happy with it, and I dipped the whole hair inside this mixture. So I thought I needed the color to be a little bit dark and blue, light blue on the other side. I don't know if that makes sense, but I decided to add another indigo blue. So that was what I did for the first bundle. For the second bundle, I actually added 2 drops of indigo blue and 1 drop of royal navy blue. I added a bit of water to the mixture, just to make it a little bit lighter. Because I was going for a darker hands, I tend to insert the hands of the hair into the mixture first, so that these areas will pick up more colors than the other parts of the hair. So that's why I always insert the hands of the hair first, to pick up more shades of the color than other parts of the hair. So when I dip the rest of the hair into the water, then those area would be lighter than the hands that I dip into the water first. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyway, for the closure, I actually went in with navy blue first. I wanted the hands of the closure to be really dark, like very dark. So I went in with royal navy for the first end of the closure. Then I threw that away, and I started with a fresh water, and I added 1 drop of royal navy and 1 drop of indigo blue. So I mixed those together, and I started with the half of the closure, if that makes sense. Then when I'm quite happy with that, then I inserted all the closure inside that solution. I took the closure out and took everything to the bathroom, and washed them only with conditioner, just conditioner. So I waited for the hair to like dry for like 90% of the hair. When 90% of the hair was dry actually, then I decided to sew the hair on the cap. I laid the closure really flat on the cap, and I started sewing from side to side. When I was done with the closure, then I decided to sew the weft, and I actually sew the weft in U shape. So if you're not quite sure about how I go on with this making this wig, then feel free to check out one of my videos on how I make wigs with closure. So I saw the wig, and I was quite happy with how flat the closure was on the cap. It was so flat. Guys, ignore my nails. I've been doing a lot of coloring throughout this weekend, and I'm going to be showing you guys soon. I actually did red shades and other shades, but don't worry about that. We'll talk about that later. But I sewed the weft on the cap, and that was what I did actually. So if you're not sure of how I made the wig, feel free to check out any of my videos. I must confess guys, I really like this hair. The hair was not shedding or tangling whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys how I combed and styled this hair in this video as well. I really like the fact that it was so soft and the wefts were very full. They were so thick. I actually doubled the weft throughout until I got to the middle of the head of the wig. You guys can already tell that I was sewing in a folding method when I got to the ends of each, you know, cap. When I got to the ends, like the other each sides, I fold the hair towards the other side. So that's what I'm doing right now. I was doing the folding method throughout until I got to the middle section of the hair, because I actually don't want the wig to be really bulky. When I got to the top of the wig, as always, I started sewing on a single weft, so the hair would be really flat and nice at the top. So that was what I did throughout until I ran out of weft. So that's all I did, and apart from that, the hair is really nice. It took to color really well. I'm quite surprised about the quality of the hair. The hair is like, I don't know how to explain this. It felt so soft and silky. And I also like the outcome of the color, guys. Look at that. I'm showing you guys how much I brushed the hair and there was nothing, I mean nothing at all on the brush. Look at that. There was nothing. The hair was not shedding at all. I actually applied tiny bit of my got2b oil on the hair, you know, just to give it more moisture. The hair was actually luster anyway, adds luster to it anyway, but I cut the black part of the cap and I sewed the elastic strap on it. I applied tiny bit of the Tresemme Heat Protection Spray as always. Then I started, you know, coiling the hair for you guys. That's, you know, that's exactly what I did. And if you're not sure of how I curl my hair, I've got loads of videos on how I curl this, especially this style. So I've got loads of video on my channel, so feel free to check them out. So I was quite happy with the outcome of the color. Look at that, guys. This is actually 50 shades of blue. I'm so happy with the outcome. There's Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of this Stema hair for you guys. Guys, look at this hair. Oh my days. I showed you guys how I achieved this look from start to finish. It's actually originally blonde and I colored it to a lovely blue right here. I hope you guys can see that. I would actually call this 50 shades of blue because it has different undertones to it. It has, you can see a bit of purple, light blue and navy blue. Everything going on with this blue, which I'm quite loving because it's quite wearable. So this is what the hair looks like, guys. Look at that. The hair has all shades of blue. It's the kind of blue that you can wear anytime, in the summer, in the winter, anytime you can rock this blue. So I'm going to tell you guys about this hair, guys. As I mentioned earlier, the hair is actually 3 bundles. They were 320 inches and 14-inch lace closure, 4x4 lace closure. So I dyed the hair using the watercolor method, which I'm actually going to show you guys in this video. Shade 613, and it was so soft, guys. Very soft. The wave pattern was amazing. You guys are going to see in the video. I'm actually going to show you guys the process in the beginning, then do the review at the end. So if you have watched the beginning of this video, you guys will be able to tell how amazing this hair is. The hair was really soft. I was just, you know, putting my hand through every now and then, and there was no shedding or tangling whatsoever. The most amazing thing that I really like about this hair is the curl pattern, guys. The hair holds curls really well. Like, look at how bouncy that is, and it's very fun. It's only just 3 bundles. Something that I really like about the hair is the fact that immediately I dip the hair into the, you know, solution, like the mixture, the hair took to that really straight away, guys. Straight away. I'm like, wow, I was shook. Like, seriously, The quality of the hair is really amazing, and I love the fact that it's very soft and the curls are so nice. It's very full for 3 bundles. The thing that I really like about this is the fact that the 20 inches was actually true to length. We stretched the bundle and measured them before sewing them. Noticed about this is the fact that for a blonde hair, I was expecting the end to be really thin, but these ones are not thin at all. They are all the same, guys. Look at that. The lengths are not thin at all. Look at that, guys. There is no split ends whatsoever. The hair is really soft and very bouncy. And the texture of the hair, guys, it felt so buttery. Maybe it's just me, because I'm quite surprised that I could get a quality 613 of like this, because the hair felt really soft. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera already. And I also like the fact that the shipping was really quick. It took like about 3 days to get into the UK. I really love this hair, and I love the fact that it's very full. There was no shedding or tangling at all. You can already tell when I run my fingers through the hair still bounces back, and the hair curls really well, and you can already tell how it holds curls so nicely, and the curls are really bouncy without shedding or tangling, guys. Another thing that I really like about this is the fact that the packaging comes with the instruction. It comes with a flexible. The packaging is really cute, guys. I love the packaging. My experience with this hair as a 613 blonde hair is really nice. I would definitely recommend you guys to check this vendor out and let me know what you guys think, because for me, I am loving this. And the vendor also replies to my response really quick, and I also like the fact that their customer service is amazing. You know, when you send them an email, they reply to you like in 5 to 10 minutes. They're very like responsive when it comes to your query and what you really want to know about the hair and all that. So they have good customer service, and their hair is really of good quality. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. It's blue already, and I only use just 2 dye, guys. Just 2 dyes. The hair is really amazing. It gives me the chance to work with the color really well, and I'm loving